Hey everyone, and today I want to share with you something interesting. A really cool new way to make money from art and designs. It is not a usual platform, it's mostly aimed at people who have a larger following on social media, and it really works if you have an audience. You know, when you are a designer, you are thinking that the only way you want to sell your design is through sites like Etsy or by doing custom commission work. Don't get me wrong, this is awesome. But I always try to find an easier, more passive way to share my art with the world, while also making some cash on the side. Well, when I was surfing the internet, as I often do, suddenly, a strange new website called Benable popped up on my screen. At first, I wasn't sure what this Benable thing was all about. Naturally, I just had to investigate further. I clicked the link and I was welcomed by Benable website. As I started looking around, a huge idea came into my head. Here is the deal. Benable is a place where you can share links of your favorite products, places and services. Pretty much anything you can think of. And the real cool part is that if somebody buys one of the items from your list, you earn a commission. It's like getting paid just for being helpful and honest. I could already envision crafting beautifully curated lists filled with my most loved art supplies, graphic design programs, creativity tools, you name it. By blending my passion with this new money-making opportunity, I knew I was onto something special. So, let me tell you that setting up the Benable account is easy. The only issue is that this platform is invitation only. They have an invite code system to join, kind of like a secret club for cool kids only. Luckily, you can use this code I show you here, or you can go to the description of this video and use the link that lets you create a free account on Benable. With that taken care of, just take a look at this platform. On the main page, you have a list made by other people with categories to make the search more easy. When you click on any list, you get a recommendation of items or stuff with brief explanations from the author. And, of course, a link you can use to see more about the item. And the link is the most important part of this list, as it is a way you can make money. The way the Benable allows you to make money is by earning small commissions from their brand partners or by using your affiliate link. And as you can see on the screen, I have already made $15 just from promoting some Etsy shops and some Redbubble designs. So, let me show you how can you use the Benable platform to promote your designs. Let's say you want to create a list about the most interesting dog designs on Etsy. You open an Etsy app and find these designs. Then, go to the Benable. Click on your profile icon and then go to the My Profile section. Here, click on the plus icon to create a new list. Now, it is time to name your list. For this video, I will create a list called a Cool Dog T-Shirt. Once the list is created, you need to write a short description to describe the purpose of this list. And now, click the Add button. A small window will appear where you should paste the link for the design you have found on Etsy. As you can see, the Benable system will identify that design. Now, I will rewrite the title to improve it and choose additional images that will appear for this listing. Under the images, you get an option to enable the Benable Auto Affiliate Link option. When enabled, it simply means you receive a commission from the partnership between Benable and Etsy every time someone clicks on the link and makes a purchase on the Etsy platform. This is the method I use to make these $15 you have seen in my account. But there is something more interesting. When you disable the auto affiliate link feature, you get the option to change the link for this listing. This simply means you can add your own affiliate link from another affiliate platform and get commission paid even outside the Benable platform. This can be even more lucrative if you have an affiliate partnership with a tool that offers recurring commissions, which will make you money every time the person makes a purchase. That said, let's continue with this listing. If everything is okay with you, click the Add Note button. Here, you need to write a reason why someone should be interested into these products. If done, click Confirm. Now, you have your first product on the list. When you click on it, you can see a title, image, the link that people can use, and your short description of that product. So I found that the best converting lists have around 20 or more products in them. This can really add value to people looking at this list. At the beginning of this video, I mentioned that this platform is made mostly for people with larger social following. This is because you can easily copy this link and paste it into your video description, email list, Instagram bio, and so on. If you have a niche audience, sharing this list can be hugely profitable. Here is what I'm going right now. I'm making lists sharing interesting designs or shops on Etsy. And I also include a link to my own shop or my designs on this list. So I get a commission from Benable partnership with the Etsy brand. And I also get traffic to my shop. This is called win-win situation. If you are interested, try the Benable platform yourself. Use the invitation code I have included in the description of my video. I do not receive any commission from that, by the way. So again, I hope you found this video helpful. And if you have any questions, use the comment section and I will try to reply